Welcome to Saving a Buck. You can see behind me this field's nice and mowed, but before it looked like this, we're going to get into that. We did some bush hogging today with the old tractor, and it turned out pretty good. We're going to get ready to spray this week, get ready for the deer, plant it with some kind of grasses. Don't know what type yet. If you have any ideas, leave in your comments. But we know we want to plant some turnips and some wheat later in the year for deer. So give me a shout if you think I should plant some sort of clovers or what you think is best. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, please do that. It helps out a lot and shows me that you like some of the videos that I'm making. And well, stay tuned. Let me show you what this is about today. Out here, it's a little warmer today. We're going to do a little tractor work. We got some fields that are overgrown in between our crop fields here, and well, I'll show you. I'll look around. Our crop fields are still wet, and we can't really do nothing in them, but we're getting ready to mow these little tiny cuts of grass in between our fields that are really too small to farm, and we plant them for our deer and our turkey. So we're going to see if we can't get some of this mowed down. It hadn't been mowed down all year, and we're going to bush hog today, hopefully get in here and spray in the next week or two, and then get some planting done for the deer and wildlife. So new videos every week. It looks like we have a pine tree down right here that we're going to have to clean up here soon. So that's from all the windstorms, but hang with me. I'm going to show you a little bit of bush hogging, high weeds. And this is one of the little fields here of one of two that we're going to cut. The other one has our box blind in it for our deer hunting and our turkey hunting, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit too. We'll be mowing that field too. Alright, one field down and one to go. Let's go do another one. Alright guys, this is field number 2. Small field, about an acre and a half that we plant for the deer. We haven't mowed it this year. This is the first time it's been mowed in about a year and a half, something like that. And we're going to get it ready to plant some food plots for our deer and turkey. We like to hunt our deer and turkey. We like to eat them. And we're going to remove a few piles of brush here, and then you can see it goes a long way down through there. I'll show you. We got a 5-foot bush hog on a 510 long tractor, and it's a good little utility tractor, and that's what we're working on, mowing the tall grass with. It's got some rose bushes and things coming up because it hasn't been mowed in a while. video footage here for you. I would like to have a drone, but it's not really in my budget. I don't have one. Maybe someday, but right now we don't. So we got a little camera back here, and that's all we're really working with. That and my phone sometimes, and maybe a little action camera. But one day maybe we'll get us a yeah.